Now, Portmore United retained the St. Catherine FA Happy Sutherland knockout title after blanking nine-man Dunbeholden 2-0 on Wednesday at the Prison Oval. In the battle of the two Premier League teams, Demarley Oliver was in the thick of things in the first half, as his own goal gave Portmore United the lead on minute 25. He was later shown a straight red card just before the half-time interval, after he brought down Javon East, who was sent clear on goal. Things got worse for Dunbeholden when Richard Anderson was sent for an early shower by referee Odette Hamilton after stomping on an opponent. There we go. Now, Dunbeholden got the chance to draw level from the penalty spot, but Nicoy Christian's weak effort was saved by Kemar Foster in goal for Portmore United. That's a look at the save. Then in time added on, Cleon Price sealed the win and secured the title for Portmore, tapping home from close range.
I mean, it's a final, so we expect a tough game. Even though they went down one player, they still make it difficult for us, even with the penalty. But that's how it is. Everybody have to do their work, and they know Sean Paul came up trumps and a PK. Then we got a late one when we stretched them. But we wanted to keep more of the ball, even when they went down, and let them run a bit. But like I said, it's a final, so we expected a tough challenge, and they gave it to us.
We know this Portmore team, they can move the ball around well, and we just had to press them as hard as possible, and we were doing that. We got two red cards, and those two red cards really put a damp on our performance. But even so, the guys still stick to the task, and we're playing, we're giving it their all. We got a penalty, and unfortunately we didn't score the penalty. We really put the nail into it.